Do you have various platforms and you wish they all just seamlessly talked with each other? Hey, I'm Simon from FutureVault, and I'm going to show you how you can use Zapier to create integrations with FutureVault so you can save time, ensure consistency, and centralize your information. As Zapier says, no more waiting for developers. Use Zapier to tame the chaos and accomplish more with less work. You know, it's true, and I'll show you how you can do this yourself without knowing how to code anything. First, on Zapier.com, you can have a look at the over 7,000 apps for creating integrations with FutureVault. When you're integrating with FutureVault, typically you're going to be taking data from somewhere else and either creating vaults or uploading documents. For example, you may have a new prospect in Salesforce, your CRM, and you want that to create a new vault automatically. Or you may be using various tools like SharePoint, Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, and others, and when a file goes in there, you want it to upload to FutureVault. To get started, make an account in Zapier, and all you need to do is describe what you want to do. So for example, when I have a new contact in Salesforce, I want them to automatically get a vault in FutureVault. Just describe it, and you get the Zap. Click Try, and you can edit it from there. Another one would be when I put documents in a particular directory in SharePoint, I want those to automatically upload to FutureVault. It's already created it just from describing it. Click Try, and you can edit it from here. There isn't much beyond logging in with your account in SharePoint and your account in FutureVault and setting a trigger. The trigger would be when a new file is in this folder, push it to FutureVault. It's that easy. But contact us if you have any questions at all. Thanks.